Coconut oil is showing up in a lot of beauty products, health supplements, and even recipes. Once you get to know the benefits and values of coconut oil, you'll want to incorporate it into several parts of your daily life. Explaining coconut oil. What is it? Coconut oil is extracted from mature coconuts. It's pressed from the coconut palm in either a dry pressing process or a wet process. This type of oil is safe to ingest and it contains a lot of fat. It's used in cooking, and many people have effectively lost weight by using coconut oil. Its sweet and nutty flavor also makes it an ideal oil for frying and baking. Coconut oil has also been useful as a skin moisturizer, and it is used in many soaps. Active components of coconut oil. The most active ingredients in coconut oil are the medium-chain triglycerides. While these are saturated fats, they are not as dangerous as some of the other types of fats that you want to avoid putting in your body. Trans fats, for example, can do far more damage than the type of fat found in coconut oil. Saturated fats that come from animal products are also worse for your health than the fat you get from coconut oil. A large amount of lauric acid is present in coconut oil. There's also linoleic acid in coconut oil, which is a monosaturated fatty acid. Choosing a good coconut oil. There are a number of different kinds of coconut oil on the market. You'll see a huge range in prices and also labels like cold-pressed, virgin, and refined. Make sure you're choosing a high-quality coconut oil that delivers on all its promises. The first distinction is refined coconut oil and unrefined coconut oil. Refined oil has been processed, so it doesn't deliver all the same health benefits as an unrefined oil, which is delivered to consumers in its raw form. Unrefined coconut oil might also be called virgin coconut oil or extra virgin coconut oil. It simply means there have been no chemicals or additives included in it during the pressing process. Extraction methods also differ. You can choose a cold-pressed coconut oil, an expeller-pressed oil, or a centrifuged oil. Coconut oil can withstand high levels of heat, so the method of extraction doesn't always matter. There is less heat used in the centrifuged coconut oil, which contributes to a mild and less intense flavor. Health benefits of coconut oil. Coconut oil has a number of health benefits, and it can be used to solve health problems and protect you from toxins and environmental threats. In places where it is naturally found, such as tropical islands, local cultures use it extensively. Skincare benefit of coconut oil. Massage oils and moisturizers often contain coconut oil, and that's because it has the ability to soften and soothe your skin. It's safe to apply directly to the skin if you don't want to use products that have other ingredients added to them. You'll notice that dry or flaky skin responds well to the oil, and its solid nature will begin to melt on contact with your skin and rub right into whatever affected areas need it. If you're worried about the aging process, use this oil to delay the onset of wrinkles and sagging or pulling. It will keep your skin taut, shiny, and youthful. There are a number of antioxidants in coconut oil that keep your skin nourished and healthy. Rub a pea-sized amount of coconut oil to the skin right underneath your eyes, and in the corners where you might see the early development of crow's feet. Doing this on a regular basis will beat back the wrinkles and keep your delicate skin smooth and protected. Hair care benefit of coconut oil. Like skin, your hair needs protein and natural moisturizers in order to grow, stay healthy, and look shiny. Coconut oil can be found in a number of shampoos, conditioners, and other hair products. However, you can apply it directly to your hair and still get excellent results without including a lot of the chemicals and perfumes that are found in commercial products. Combing coconut oil through your hair after every shampoo can help to repair damaged hair and generate new growth. It can work well on your scalp too. Massaging this oil into your scalp can prevent dandruff, even if your scalp is always dry and itchy. Some people use it as a natural remedy to head lice. Not only can it kill the lice that might be in the hair already, it can also prevent the growth of any lice eggs. Weight loss benefit of coconut oil. With its high fat content, you might be suspicious that coconut oil can really help you lose weight. However, it's very effective in regulating your metabolism and helping you shed unwanted pounds and extra fat. The compounds in this oil have a positive effect on your thyroid and endocrine system, which are two things that play a major role in regulating your weight and keeping you from putting on extra pounds.